In the last few videos on this beginner's guide to using a jelly plate, I've told you about the things that you need to get started, and I've showed you how to make some nice smooth backgrounds. So now I'm going to start and look at stencils, stamps and masks. And even now, after doing this for over 5 years, I sometimes get a little bit confused as to what is what. So hopefully I'll try and help with that dilemma for you and also for myself. So let's start with perhaps the easiest one to get your head round. This is a stamp, and they come in all sorts of shapes and sizes, and this one here gives you a nice impression of leaves and odd looking plants growing, and you would obviously place it onto your jelly plate, onto the paint, and when you take it off you have the impression underneath. And this is another one here. This is a bit of a wild cat. So those are stamps. Put those to one side. So let's have a look at masks. These are very simple ones that I've cut myself. These are made out of just cartridge paper, and this one is a little bit more of a craft card, but these will mask the paint when you apply it to your jelly plate. So if I was going to put this down here onto this dark colour and then put a light colour on top, when I take this off, the impression that's left underneath will be of this shape, and surrounding it will be a light colour, and underneath will be this dark colour. So finally we have stencils, and as you can see here, the shape that is cut out when we put paint over the top of it, when you take the stencil off, this area here will be left behind. So this outline on this plastic will be left, and this is a stencil, as is this one here. So when I put paint on this, this will then be prominent when I take it off. Whatever is left underneath will be in this shape here. So this is a stencil, that's a stencil. These are homemade masks. And finally, these are stamps. So in the next video, what I'm going to do is to show you how to apply the stamps, masks and stencils, and let's see what we get when we do that. So if you've enjoyed this and you've found it interesting, you'd like to support the channel so I can carry on doing lots more of these hints and tips and tricks for you, then please think about subscribing, hit the notification button, and then next time I upload something you'll be able to find out straight away. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again next time. So bye for now. Bye bye.